Hello, so in this video we will see how to create collections in Shopify. Collections are also known as categories. So in the last video we have seen how we can create and customize a Shopify banner. So if you are not following the course, you can follow the course, and let's log into the Shopify store. So we will type our URL and we will log in. And to create some collections we have to go to products, and here we will go to collections, and here you see some sample collections that we have imported. So if you want to import some sample data, you can watch this video, upload test products in Shopify, generate sample data. So you can watch that video and add some sample data in your Shopify store for free. So let's go back, and now let's see how we can create a collection. So here we will have to write the name of the collection. So maybe we can just write featured products. So we can write any name over here, and we can write a description as well. So here we have the default Dawn theme demo version. So maybe we can just copy this description and we can add it over here. We can remove this bullet. And here you can see we have two collection types. First one is manual and second one is automated. So if you will select manual over here and you will just click on save, and now let's see, we can go to the products and we will open any product. So when you will be uploading your product, you will see this collection thing over here, and you can add the product to any collection. So as we have created a manual collection which was called featured product, so here we see the collection name, and we can add any product, any new product or any old product to this collection, and we will click on save and the product will be added. So let's go back and maybe just refresh this collection. And here you can see that the product is added. So now let's see what is an automated collection. We have seen the manual thing, and now let's go to collection again and now create an automated collection. So we can maybe say products under 100, and we can click on automated. For this specific automated collection we can select price, and here we can say is less than 100. So all the products that are less than 100 will show in this collection automatically, and just like that you can add more conditions to that as well. Say product title contains Adidas. So we can just click on save, and now you will see that it automatically fetches the three product that matches this condition, and we can also change it to any condition. So in this case all the conditions must be matched for a product to be added in this collection, and if we will select this option, then the products that match even one condition will be added. So we can just click on save and let's see what is the change. So you can see we have more products now. So that's the difference between the automated and the manual collection. You will not see automated collection when you are adding or editing a product. So here for example we search for the collection that we just created, product under 100, and you will not see the collection over here because it's an automated collection and it is showing in blue color over here, and you cannot remove the product from the automated collection because it matches with the collection and it automatically add this product to that collection. So I hope you understand this concept of automated and manual collection. So they both are very necessary and they both are very useful actually, and both are used normally in the stores. So that's it for the video. See you next time.